Best helpful home remedies for fainting. Fainting is such a situation that makes a person nervous and occurs due to improper blood pumping to the brain. It also causes nausea and dizziness, blurry vision, lower consciousness. There are several reasons behind such terrible conditions, which are stress, tension, fear, illness or weakness, and dehydration due to vomiting or loose motion. You may also face this problem because of high dose of certain medication, also low blood sugar or low blood circulation also welcomes dizziness. That in turn makes you faint. When such patients sit, stand, lie, move, or do any other activities too quickly, they will make a space for fainting. First, drink basil tea. Basil leaves are good enough in treating fainting as it has many medicinal ingredients. Hence, eat basil leaves or use them in the tea, which is best method in curing the condition of fainting. To prepare basil tea, you can put few bunches of basil leaves in half of a cup of boiling water. A tea powder, sugar as per the sweetness required. Pour milk, boil, and strain the tea in the cup. With a tea strainer, drink and get rid of fainting. Second, wear loose dress. Wearing loose dress also becomes important for a person who faints often. If you wear tight dress, you will have difficulty in breathing, which further makes you to faint. Especially women who wear tight bra will likely to get affected by fainting. So wear such innerwear till you are completely recovered. Therefore, always wear loose dresses. That makes you breathe comfortably. Third, allow ventilation. Proper ventilation is also required to reduce or remove fainting, as lack of oxygen causes fainting. Thus, keep all your doors and windows open so that you get fresh air to breathe in and intake more oxygen than that you lost and kick this fainting. There are people who are habituated to sleep wearing blanket or rugs all over their face and head without leaving a small gap of air to enter. This will make them unhealthy because of inhaling the same air they breathe out. So practice to uncover your face and head while you sleep. Let the fresh air come to you to recover you from fainting. Fourth, smell onions. Smelling onion is also another best home remedy to treat fainting. Though the reason is unknown, many people have been cured with this remedy. As there are no side effects smelling onions, you can follow this method. If you are not comfortable with onions, you can also try inhaling lemons. Even that works. Fifth, drink Glucon D. Glucon D is a good energy drink that boosts your immunity and it replaces the hydration that is lost due to vomiting or loose motion, which leads to fainting further. Hence, drink Glucon D and stay safe by removing the fear of fainting.
Thanks for watching.